Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use the standard algorithm for 2 times 2 multiplication. 2 times 2 means like 2 places, like 40 times 40 or 10 times 10 is 2 places. Each one has 2 places. We saw how to do with 1 times any number of places. I showed you a bunch of examples, but now I'm going to show you examples and how to do with 2 places. Okay, well, I'm going to show you how to do with 2 places. Standard, I'll go 2 places. Okay, so let's take this. Let's say 10 times 40, okay? Okay, so this is how we do it. Or actually, let's make this 11. 11 times 40, okay? You multiply the ones place. You start with the ones place, multiply by this ones place. It's 0. Then multiply by this ones place. It's 4. Okay. Now, we have to multiply this one against this one. But we go down a level. And whenever we go down, we add a 0. And then we multiply 1 times 0. And we put the 0 right here. Then we multiply 1 times 4. And we put that 4 right here. Okay? And then we add these two values up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 4 plus 0 is 4. To get the final answer, 444. So 40 times 11 is equal to 444. So let's run through what I just did here again. I first multiplied the ones place at the bottom, the ones place from the number at the bottom, times both of these. That's what this 0 and this 4 is. Then I went down a level and I added a 0. You have to add the 0 in order to do this. Every time you go down a level, you have to add a 0. So you added a 0, and then you multiply. And this makes sense because this is supposed to signify a tens place, a step to the tens place. Okay? Because this 1 is in the tens place. So you add the 0 to show that we're now multiplying a tens place number. Okay, now 1 times 0 is 0. So we already added the 0 down here. And then we do 1 times 0, which is 0. And then we do 1 times 4, which is 4. And then we add each place value together to get the final answer. So do this again. Run through this step by step again. So let's say 22 times 12. So 2, we start right here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Then we go down a level because we have to do the tens place. And we add the 0 to show that we're stepping into the tens place. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, so we did both places. Then we add the place values. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. So 22 times 12 is equal to 264. And that's it, man. Okay? That's it. That's how you do it. Good job and stay in school. Bye.